Adinkra cloth, and arrays. Adinkra cloth is a traditional cloth made in the country of Ghana in Africa. This cloth is covered with multiple symbols. Adinkra cloth artists create stamps by carving the symbols into pieces of gourd. Then they use a very dark ink to stamp the symbols over and over onto cloth. As you can see in this picture, the cloth is often divided into rectangles, and then those rectangles are filled with repeating stamps. Adinkra cloth is used to create clothing to be worn on special occasions. The symbols on the cloth show the status and also personality or character traits of the person who wears it. As you can see from this image, the symbols represent personality traits. Can you find creativity, intelligence, adaptability, and strength? For the first part of this activity, I'd like you to discuss these ideas with a friend or family member. In your culture, do people wear anything to display their status or personality traits? What are these things, and what do they mean? And finally, do you know anyone who uses fabric or other textiles to create traditional works of art? And now, let's do a math activity. Look at this piece of Adinkra cloth. Do you recognize the part that has a yellow rectangle around it? In math, we call this an array. Children can use arrays to help them practice addition and multiplication. In this image, this array has 2 columns and each column has 4 rows. If we were to add up the symbols in those arrays, we would do 4 plus 4 equals 8. Here is another array. This array has 4 columns and 5 rows. Can you create a math problem to add up the symbols in this array? You could make an equation where you add 4 together 5 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 20. And now it's your turn. In the next image, I would like you to look for some arrays. In each one, figure out how many columns and how many rows there are, and then create a math problem to add together how many symbols are in each array. Can you do the math for the array found in this image? This final image shows Adinkra cloth projects created by elementary children. Each one shows the same array. Can you do the math problem? This activity teaches 2nd grade Visual Arts Standard 2.B.CO.2, which asks 2nd graders to compare and contrast cultural uses of artwork from different times and places. It also teaches 2nd grade Math Standard 2.0A.4, which asks students to use addition to find the total number of objects arranged in rectangular arrays with up to 5 rows and up to 5 columns, and write an equation to express the total as a sum of equal